So, another video about Ninja Foodie and my third time cooking meat using the pressure cooking function of the Ninja Foodie. And this time I'm using the, I think it's the spare ribs, boneless spare ribs. Huge chunk, I think couple pounds. And basically I just throw everything in, poured in some water, poured in my secret ingredient sauce, have pretty much just pepper, some soy sauce, some numbing peppers. This is a Chinese spice. Some MSG. I love MSGs. And some garlic, paprika, and Chinese 5 spice. Super simple. And we're gonna try to find out how this Ninja Foodie handles the spare ribs pressure cooked. Okay. I don't know what to expect. However, I don't expect it to be bad. It's just how it's gonna taste and how long it's gonna take. It will be a curious thing to find out. Okay, so let's start. Gonna get the pressure cooking lid. And I love Ninja Foodie pressure cooker. It's such a brilliant thing. And we're gonna plug it in, of course. Turn on the power. Foodie. And we're gonna use the pressure cooking function. So basically, temperature set to default high. I'm gonna cook it for about 20 minutes because it's a lot of meat and I want it to be nice and tender. And so we're gonna check after, actually it's more meat, set it for 25 just in case. All right, let's start. So it's gonna build the pressure and it's gonna cook. We're gonna make sure it's not the venting option, otherwise you'll never cook stuff. Okay, make sure it's in sealed position. And then we're gonna come back in about, so we're basically gonna come back after the pressure is released and we're gonna check how the meat looks like and how it tastes like. Okay, see you guys in a bit. All right, so just finished relieving, or almost finished relieving the pressures. And took about, so I started cooking at around 7. That's when I closed the lid at night. And right now the time is about 7:50. So it took about 50 minutes for the thing to pressurize itself and then start the countdown process. And that's how long it takes. Next, we're gonna open it up and take a look and see how the boneless ribs did in this pressurized environment. Okay, so stay tuned. Moment of truth. Looks nice. Still cooking. So one thing I noticed is that the Ninja Foodie actually retains heat extremely well because surrounding it is a very thick, I think cast aluminum or maybe cast iron, like a heat retaining wall. So this thing can keep its heat like really well. That's why like after it's being turned off, it's still cooking for quite a long time. Okay, looks really good. All right, seems extremely tender. Okay, wow. So put it in here. So on the bottom I have some pepper and salt. Let's see how, oh my god, this is so tender. Dip it in some pepper, give it a try. Wow, so good. You know what, guys, at this point I can pretty much just eat it as is. But if you want to go one step further, feel free to air fry it and make the skin looks really nice. But honestly, this already tastes really good. I'm gonna stop here. I'm not gonna air fry those this time, so I'm gonna put them in a container, and that's gonna be my lunch for the next week. This tastes really good, guys, and the effort to cook those, practically none. Pretty much I just put the raw ribs in here, putting some whatever spice you like to put in there, salt, pepper, even just 2 ingredients is good enough, and just let it cook for about 25 minutes, and then it's golden. I love Ninja Foodie pressure cooker. This thing is awesome. Anyway, I'm not paid by them to say nice words. This thing really freaking works, okay? I'm gonna go enjoy my ribs, and if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Take care. Oh my god, so tender.